We're looking at 19 new laws now in place across the state of Tennessee. 2 require you to enter your age when you visit certain websites. 1 is in limbo after a judge granted a preliminary injunction. And 10 News anchor Sam Perez joining us now to break down the changes and the impact. Sam?
John, both laws are aimed at protecting kids when they're using the internet. Both require age verification to make sure users are either over 18 years old or have a parent's permission.
We need to apply the same standards in the cyber world that are in place in the physical world.
Senator Becky Duncan Massey sponsored Senate Bill 1792, known as the Protect Tennessee Minors Act. It requires websites to make sure visitors are over 18. This applies to websites where 1/3 of the content or more is, quote, harmful to minors, like pornography.
We did not allow minors to go into adult establishments. We did not allow minors access to written materials that are inappropriate. This bill would do the same thing in the cyber world.
The legislation says website owners must match a user's photo to a valid form of identification like mortgage or education records. If a website violates this, the owner would be charged with a Class C felony.
My only concern are for those who choose to use these services as adults, or not services, but websites, about the protection of their privacy.
It specifically requires it to be kept anonymous with after that verification is done.
Privacy isn't the only concern. A group of people and companies filed a motion saying this law violates the First and 14th Amendments. It says the law would violate protected speech and label websites as adult businesses, which could have negative ramifications like social stigma and losing ad revenue. It also says the law is, quote, impermissibly vague, violating the Due Process Clause. An order granting a motion for a preliminary injunction says this law is, quote, scorched earth. Quote, because the PTMA is a content-based restriction on protected adult speech that fails strict scrutiny, plaintiff's motion is granted. The other law requiring age verification is for social media. To create an account, users need to enter a valid identification or have explicit parental permission from a verified adult. Now, these are just 2 of the 19 laws set to go into effect. The others cover a wide range of topics, from requiring landlords to give certain contact information to tenants to revising juvenile court procedures and beyond. John?